Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a company that reached out to me that sells like little jackets that you can wear around the house. So let me just get into it. I'm going to open it. Jackets come in actual sizes, so I picked up a size 12 because I thought, you know what, I want to be in the house working in something that's kind of comfortable, you know. So I'm like, let me see what it's all about. And the cool thing about their jackets is they're ponte knit, but they're lined in fleece, which that's something that really caught my eye because I'm always cold. You know me, I'm always cold, and I love jackets. So I'm gonna get kind of close. This is the packaging. This is how it comes. It's just like a blazer style. Absolutely love it. It doesn't have any buttons or anything like that. These are not functional pockets, but let me get into this. So like I said, this is a size 12. So we're gonna see, it does not have like a walking vent or a split in the back, but I love gray because you can wear gray with anything. And I wore white because, oh, I'm glad I got the 12. Okay, so it fits just like a regular style, like blazer, but like I said, it's ponte knit. So I'm gonna get kind of close so you guys can see kind of how it looks. It's just a dark gray, and you can dress this up. You can wear it with jeans. You can wear it just like with a casual outfit if you're wearing, you know, something or whatever for your work day. Like, I like it because I absolutely love this little jacket. Easy to wear. I love the diagonal you know, seaming right here. It's very figure flattering, and like if I had to jump on a call for something, you know, business related or whatever, I have something I can throw over my chair while I'm working during the day. So super cool jacket, very neat, very comfortable, very warm. I've got on a sleeveless shirt with this, but I'll get closer so you guys can see the inside lining. And see, it's got fleece in there. So even as it gets cooler, if I'm still working from home, I can either keep on a short sleeve shirt or I can put on a long sleeve shirt underneath it if I get cool here in my office. So just super cool. Just thought I would just show you guys kind of how I look in it. But I love this, and thank you so much, Mila and Myles and Moho, for reaching out to me. Love the jacket, very good quality. It's not too heavy, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just the perfect like weight. It's just a perfect weight. And also, don't be afraid to put like pins or something like that on it if you want to jazz it up. If you have a Zoom call or something, you know, it's always really good to have a jacket or something on hand. So anyway, that's it, guys.